Avalanche 1500 LT, only one owner. Here it is. Tired of the same mundane drive? Well, change up things with this good-looking 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. New car test drive called it a superb truck when it comes to flexibility for hauling cargo and people. It can be converted from pickup to SUV in a couple of minutes. And it's a superb vehicle for towing. From ride and handling to looks and packaging, it's a refreshing upgrade of an innovative concept that delivers unmatched flexibility without sacrificing function. This superb Avalanche 1500 is the one-owner truck with everything you'd expect from Chevrolet, and then some. Lakeside Toyota has been serving the surrounding area for 19 years. WOW. With our low pricing and our stellar reputation, we will remain at the top of our industry for another 19.